On the hoist today, we've just finished the brand new, still in its wrapper, Jimny XL. We've given it a 50mm lift, extended rear travel shocks. I'll run through with you with what's in the kit. From the front of the vehicle, going to show you where everything sits. This is our Outback Armour steering dampener. Moving through here to our coils. Inside the coil is we'll show you on this side, inside the coil is a progressive rate bump stop. That just soaks up the unexpected whoops that you sometimes come along. Here we've got cluster correction bushes. And then our front monotube shock for the Jimny, obviously both sides, and an optional extra here is our cross member drop kit. I'll show you from the front so you can put some perspective on that. That's where that sits. Now let's go to the back of the vehicle. All the way along the tail shaft we have a tail shaft spacer. Then we'll move completely to the rear. The back of the vehicle, this is where the magic happens. This is our extended travel rear shock absorber, obviously monotube, coils again, and a rear progressive rate bump stop. And we round it out with our extended rear brake lines. That's what's in the Jimny XL kit. I wanted to show you something quickly. This is the 38mm body of the factory shock, and this is a 50mm body Outback Armour monotube Jimny shock. Big difference. Heaps more oil, and the cooling grooves keeps that oil cooler. And this is the extra travel one as well, providing an extra 60mm of travel. You can find your closest Outback Armour dealer by using the postcode search feature on our website. And never go alone when you go with Outback Armour.